This is the Eco Fuego Smokeless Fire Pit. It is a no-wood fire pit that burns a candle that lasts up to 8 hours. They claim that it puts out some serious heat and it takes less than 5 minutes to set up. To thoroughly test out this fire pit, we'll be breaking down this video into 4 different parts. We'll start off with the unboxing and gathering up all the different pieces. Then we'll quickly move into the setup and build process where we will put it together and see if it takes less than 5 minutes. Then we'll move into my favorite part, the burn test, and check out the heat output. Finally, I'll wrap everything up with my final thoughts and let you know why this may be the best smokeless fire pit that you can buy. Before we get started, I must say that I was sent this to review inside this video. However, all of my thoughts and opinions are my own, and with that being said, let's unbox it. Inside of the box, we are immediately greeted with a user manual. Then we have the lid for the fire pit that looks like an actual stump. Next, we have the weatherproof cover, and at the very bottom, we have the fire pit itself and the candle. Here are all of the various pieces that come with the fire pit, including things like a fire drum, a candle, and some legs to support airflow. The setup process is extremely simple. First, you add the feet to the bottom to allow for airflow. Then you combine the fire pit and the fire drum, add your candle, and tear off a piece of paper at the top, exposing the lighting area. And that's basically the setup. We could use these little wax balls here as fire starters and light the middle of the candle. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll let it get hot for a little bit and we'll check the temperature surrounding the fire pit. So it's been roughly about 15 minutes since we started up the fire, and we're getting about 95, 96 degrees on the wood exterior here. If I was to point the laser at the fire drum, we're gonna get significantly higher temperatures, but on the outside, we're only getting around 90 to 95. I ended up letting the flame run for another 15 minutes, and this is how big it got at 30 minutes. I noticed that the flame almost doubled in size, and it was putting out more heat, so you just have to let it run for a little bit, and eventually you'll get that bigger flame and bigger heat output. Which leads me to think that this is definitely worth it if you're looking for a backyard or patio fire pit. It's not going to be as warm as some of the wood-burning fire pits out there, but you are going to have significantly less smoke and a very easy to use and easy to light candle, which I believe does last for that 8 hours because it barely went down in wax after using it for 30 minutes. And you could always order more of the wax candles. They easily fit inside, they come individually packaged, and if you use them for a half hour to an hour at a time, they should last for quite a while. Overall, there's a lot to love about this compact candle fire pit, and I personally think that it is one of the better designed fire pits that you can buy. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helped. My name's David and I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos in both the home and tech niches, so if you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I will see you guys when I release my next video.